Hello everyone, we're going to talk about the Dry-etcher, etching-rate shift by RCP and edge shield. This is the part 2. As we talk about next time about edge shield. This is the part 2. Now we are going to see this SPC chart. This chart is Dry-etcher, etching rate, uniformity, and especially after PM. This monitor after PM to monitor the etching rate and its uniformity. This SPC chart, the red line is limit and the yellow line is warning, and the central line is target. Of course, the etching rate, low is better, so the high is bad. From this long period SPC chart, we can analyze it. The A and B and C period got high uniformity is bad. This results after PM, as this is the after PM chart. Then we do some investigation and found the root cause. The root cause use the new edge shield. The root cause is using the new edge shield to install. Why use the new edge shield? Why use the new one? The old one out of lifetime limit, so we got replace a new one. A whole new one edge shield ring gets very small roughness value. It's so smooth surface, so it gets small roughness value of the surface of the edge shield. Then we do another investigation with the recipe and the monitor and the edge shield ring condition for 3 basic different situations. For some recipe, no matter and continue to product, because this recipe has a very big process window. We all love it. The most very good skill and very good result to tuning the recipe, which is having very big process window. And the second situation is, for some recipe, it can product after dummy run several times to increase its roughness. Use several times dummy run to increase the roughness of the surface of edge shield. Then we can product. In the third condition, it gets very difficult to release to run. For some recipe, we cannot use it. The new edge shield, it can accept it goes to uniformity, even the etching rate shift too much. So after tuning and picking all kinds of edge shield to verify the condition. For some recipe, a critical recipe which has very small process window, it needs, for example, 50 to 70 hour running time edge shield for this recipe. So we have to collect some range of the RF time edge shield to use for some critical recipe to product. This is the scale, but after all, we want this recipe can get bigger process window due to the issue. Then we have some solution, including modify edge shield. Why modify? Because the equipment manufacturer cannot provide specific edge ring for our specific process needing. So the equipment engineer find the vendor to modify the edge ring for a suitable recipe. By modify vendor, we talk about the vendor last time. So you can see that the vendor is very important, especially the modify vendor. And we used the modified edge shield with specific roughness and specific thickness for specific recipe. Just as these three cases. The different recipe needs specific roughness and the thickness of edge ring, of edge shield ring to install to product. Okay, let's all see you next time.